How to fix administrator permission on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the administrator issue problem in your Windows 10 or 11. So first thing first you want to do is simply head over to your search bar over here, and once you're inside here simply searching for administrative tools, and as you can see at the top, Windows administrative tools. So once you see that, simply click on open and wait for some time, and once you're inside here just click on local security policy. So when you click on it you will be seeing this screen, and simply head over to local policies and then security options. So once you click on security options, when you're inside here scroll all the way down until you see the user access user account control option, and just double click on it and just make sure you disabled this and click apply and click OK. So once you do that, your enabled options will be disabled from over here, and after you do that just make sure you restart your computer, and that should fix your issue just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.